Hi, this is Aaron for Taylor & Son Chevrolet. Going to be doing a walk around video here of our 2019 Chevy Tahoe. It's a Premier with RST package. Super nice vehicle. I'll start with the exterior on the driver's side here and go around and point out anything I would want to know about. All in all, this thing's in really good condition. It was well loved and cared for and garaged most of its life. But starting with the rims and tires here, really good condition. Going into the wheel wells here, you can see the frame and the shocks, and no corrosion or rust really. Driver's side passenger door, all good, no dings or blemishes. Running boards or assist steps. Maybe one, if anything, very light scuff right there. Very super light scuff. Going along to the driver's side, there is one itty bitty little like rock ding there of something that got kicked up. Other than that, really clean on the driver's side. Going down driver's side wheel well here, front wheel well. Front rim. Again, looks really good. Going around to the front of the vehicle. Little bug there, not even a chip. Let's see. Another bug, no chip there. Front bumper looks really good. Maybe an ever so slight little mark from a rock kicked up here and there, but really overall really good. Front grille looks good. Chrome's in good condition. Headlights in good condition. And the hood, little North Idaho dust on there from the snow and rain we've been having. But all in all, really good. Glass in good condition on the windshield. Again, headlight. All right, working around to the passenger side. This is the passenger side front wheel and tire. Looks really good. Again, the front wheel well and shocks look good. And a little dust and dirt on there. We did take this for a test drive before I shot this video the other day. So front assist step again on the passenger side looks good. No real dings or blemishes or nicks to point out on the passenger side. Get down here and shoot the underside. Here's the underside of the vehicle, the rear differential back there. Going all the way forward there. Again, looks really clean and good condition. All right, passenger side wheel well, frame, and again, all the rims and tires on this thing are like new, really good condition. Moving around, tail lights are in good condition, rear bumper. Now there is a little blemish on this tow hitch cover here. It looks like just a small scratch in it. And that's the only blemish really to point out on the entire vehicle really, other than those very minor rock dings on the passenger door. Lift gate and glass in the rear lift gate looks really good. All right, let's open this puppy up and look at the inside. Starting with the driver's side passenger door. Here is the door itself. Looks really clean. No blemishes or rips or tears in any of the seating, floor mats throughout. It's getting a little dark, so bear with me here, but the seats themselves, really great condition. And those floor liners throughout are nice. This one also has the rear bed liner, which is nice too. Moving around to the driver's side front door. Again, kind of same story, looks really good. Yep, little dust there, but overall this thing's a 9 out of 10. It'd be a 10 out of 10 if it was brand new, but I got to dock it just for being used a little bit. But other than that, this thing's really nice. There's the center console, all the gauges, knobs, screens, everything's in really great, almost perfect condition. I would say perfect condition. Steering wheel. Gauge cluster. And all the switches for the heads-up display and the traction control, park assist, trailering applications, all that looks really good. Alright. Move around to the passenger side here. Here's the front passenger door. Looks really good again. Nothing much to point out in the way of blemishes. There's the passenger seat. And that giant center console storage. The glove box itself. Real clean. Nothing to point out in the way of blemishes there either. This also has the sunroof. Really nice. Alright, rear passenger side door. Like a broken record, same thing. Nothing to point out in the way of blemishes here. Just real nice product. Alright, I'll open up the back hatch so we can take a look at the rear cargo area. And this thing's got that nice cargo mat in it. Real nice area in the back too. Not a lot of stuff's been thrown in it. There's maybe... That's probably the worst thing I can find in the entire interior. It's just a little foggy, one little dime-sized patch on the access panel for the fuse box. Other than that, the carpet on the back of the seats, everything looks really good. I'll go ahead and pull this back a little bit and fold this power third row up so we can take a look real quick. So I will run around to the other side and take a shot of the third row seating. Alright, third row. I doubt this thing's been sat in, knowing the people that I took it on trade from, a day in its life. Looks perfect. Well, there you have it, folks. Our 2019 Chevy Tahoe Premier RST package. Super nice vehicle. I do appreciate your interest. This is Aaron for Taylor & Sons, signing off. Thanks.